Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got an interesting one for the US market. Kikkoman noodle kit with sauce, spicy garlic flavor. It was found during my hunt for more things to review. So sounds interesting. Hopefully it lives up to that wonderment. So I've got some chicken and I'm going to throw in some spring onion with it. Copious amounts. That's pretty copious. I might as well use it all. How about that? I'll use all of it, because this is the last one I'm doing today. And then we've got to take our rice noodle. Where's your scissors? Oh, I already used the scissors to cut up the chicken. I'll use these untainted scissors. And drop this in the pot for 4 minutes. Okay. And there we go. And then we stir this up. It's just literally chicken and spring onion. I didn't have much as far as vegetables on hand other than that. So here, we'll let you see the doings here. Turn this one down a little bit. Ooh. It said chicken and vegetables, so that's what we have, you know. That's what I'm doing. I know my mung bean sprouts are bad by now. Need to get fresh. Hopefully the store will have fresh mung bean sprouts today. They keep putting ones out that expire in like 3 days, and the day before the day that they list is when it'll go bad. They're bad already. That's just how they work. So, kind of sad, but true. So, let me look at this again. So what you're supposed to do, boil the rice noodles for 4 minutes, drain them. Meanwhile, stir-fry chicken and vegetables in hot oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat for 3 minutes or until chicken is cooked. Reduced heat and stir in sauce, and then you put the noodles in a bowl and then put this stuff over it. So, I guess on a plate, that's what I will use. We got a fork. Let's see how these noodles are doing. They're getting there. I think it's been almost 3 minutes of this action. Chicken's looking pretty good. Here, that one's a straggler. Then they had this one. They had, I think, a teriyaki and a pad thai as well. So let's add in this stuff. Spicy garlic. I hope it lives up to its name. I hope it's decent. I don't think we really need the heat on this one anymore at all. So it's kind of like a simmer sauce that goes over onto the chicken and such. It looks nice. My mouth is still burning a little bit. The second review I did had a mukbang with it, so I just scarfed down like a big old bowl of noodles. Not really what I was looking for first thing in the morning, but I did it. I did it for you. Nice people. Kids gave me a ready, set, go and everything, so it worked out well. But yeah, I don't get a lot of stuff that I can do a mukbang with these days, so I figured I ought to do it. So our rice noodle is done. Let's get this going. I think the best way to do this will be to take pictures and then give it a try. So that's what I'm going to do today. Noodle. Rice noodle in here. And then we gotta add a bunch of this into here too. Let's stir this around a little bit. Uh-oh. Nah, that's not going to come out looking all that splendid, is it? Not too bad. However, kind of hard to see that noodle in there. It's just like buried underneath. But what do you do? Coax it out a little bit. A little bit of rotato action for the moment. Ooh, that burner's hot. All right, so you hang out for a minute and watch our little friends, the guinea pigs. Can you see them? They're doing things in there. Oh, you can see them. They're in there. I swear to God, they're in there. They're right there. All right, hold on. I'm going to go take pictures, and I'll be right back. Did you enjoy your time looking at guinea pigs? I certainly hope so. You can even look up there. Look. Look at that. It's Betty time. No? That's Louise. No. Yeah, that's Louise. She's like, what are you looking at? This isn't my regular morning food supplement. I want my supplement. Here, let's zoom out. Alright, so now we have a rotating platform with what they're calling spicy garlic rice noodle on it. And so now we have all but to give it a try. fingers crossed. Things made for the US market lately just haven't gone too well. Cheers. It's pretty good. I'm not getting a lot of spicy to it. I'm getting like a tomato. Maybe a little bit of spicy. I don't know. The sauce is good. Yeah. I will say this could probably be emulated in a or done up in a frozen variety. It would require less work by the consumer to prepare. However, it's really not a lot of work. I mean, you saw me make it, but that could that's the only like turn off I could see for people is like they actually have to like do a little bit of cooking. Yeah, I like this. This is good. Now I'm curious about the other ones. Does it make me think spicy garlic? I'm definitely get the garlic. Spicy? Nah. I can get with that. Found it at my local grocery store. Kikkoman Spicy Garlic Rice Noodle Kit. So, alright. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Lots more to come, so stay tuned. Have a good one. Bye-bye.